video, I'll show you how to view options prices of a stock on Yahoo Finance. So to do that, go ahead and go to Yahoo Finance, open your browser and go to Yahoo Finance, sign into your account and head over into the Markets tab. So at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find the sections where you can actually filter out the market. So head over into the stocks section. So select stocks, click on the stock name that you want to view options prices to. So click on that specific stock name or search for that using the search bar. And here you can go ahead and click on the options button at the left side of your screen. Click on the options tab to see a list of available options including the strike prices, expiration dates, premiums, and other relevant information. So using that, you can actually look out for the options prices of a stock on this specific stock on Yahoo Finance, and that is how you can simply view options prices of a stock on Yahoo Finance. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.